Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by giving Google Pay the necessary access. This is the crucial first action. Open Google Pay, go to Settings, then Notifications. Grant permission to show messages. Next, make sure Android Settings lists Google Pay for SMS or notifications, because without that the app cannot surface message threads. Once done, double-check that Do Not Disturb or Battery Saver isn't blocking notifications. These system blocks often prevent messages from appearing even after permissions are granted. Now you sync and inspect messages. Open the Google Pay inbox or activity feed. This is where transaction messages, payment requests, and receipts appear. Tap a conversation to expand details, because that reveals payment links or verification codes. If messages are missing, enable auto-sync and background data for Google Pay so incoming SMS and push messages are captured continuously. Make sure to use the app search to find senders, amounts, or keywords. It speeds locating a specific payment message. Finish by validating delivery and cleaning any stalls. Restart your phone and then open Google Pay. A restart often forces pending messages to sync. If items still fail to show, clear the app cache and update Google Pay via the Play Store, because stale data or an old version blocks message parsing. If problems persist, check carrier SMS filters and any blocking rules, and make sure Do Not Disturb or battery optimizers aren't restricting background message processing. Do this to resolve the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.